Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to apply for employment insurance iBenefits online. Alright, let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is get together all the information you'll need to complete your application. Over here, you need your social insurance number. After that, you need the last name of one of your parents at the time of their birth. Then you need your mailing and residential addresses, including the postal codes. After that, collect your complete banking information to sign up for direct deposit, including your branch or transit number, the financial institution name and number, and your account number. Then, gather the names, addresses, and telephone numbers of all the employers you worked for in the last 52 weeks or since the start of your last I claim, as well as the dates of your employment and the reasons your employment ended. So, the next thing that you want to do is apply as soon as you stop working, even if you don't have your record of employment yet. Over here, you can submit your records of employment later once you receive it from your former employer. In many cases, employers submit electronic records of employment directly to Service Canada. Then, it will take about an hour to complete your application. Over here, if you need more time, your information will be saved for 72 hours from the time you start. Remember to record your temporary password. So that's basically how you can apply for employment insurance iBenefits online. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.